Curious about how to make money online? Here's a step-by-step guide to earning with affiliate marketing that can transform your online presence into a revenue-generating machine. Step 1. Sign up for affiliate programs. Join programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Once approved, you get unique links for various products. Step 2. Create engaging content. Create exciting content that reviews and recommends products. Use blogs, YouTube, or social media to share your insights. Step 3. Incorporate your links. Place your affiliate links in your content. Make it easy for viewers to click and buy. Step 4. Earn commissions. When someone purchases through your links, you earn a commission. Consistently create valuable content to build trust and drive traffic. Step 5. Monitor and optimize. Track your performance and adjust your strategies for better results. Step 6. Stay updated. Keep up with industry trends to refine your approach. Ready to start your affiliate marketing journey and turn your passion into profit? You're welcome.